Ever stared at a dead or dying screen, wondering if your beloved piece of tech was destined for the scrap heap? This STCG057QVLAB-G00 LCD screen replacement claims to bring those devices back from the brink. But does it truly deliver a new lease on life? We're diving deep into the STCG057QVLAB-G00 a very specific LCD screen designed as a direct replacement for a range of specialized equipment. Now, right off the bat, it's crucial to understand what this is and what it isn't. This is a pure LCD display. For those wondering about touch functionality, the product info clearly states touchpads, NAN, meaning no integrated touch layer here. This isn't a smartphone screen. It's built for precision and clarity in applications where a dedicated display is paramount, often in industrial, medical, or older professional gear. Upon installation, which, depending on your device, can range from straightforward to a bit fiddly, the immediate impression is one of relief. The clarity is striking. Gone are the faded pixels, the dead lines, or the murky backlight that plagued the original. The STCG057QVLAB-G00 brings a crisp, vibrant image back to life. Colors, while not necessarily HDR cinema levels, are accurate and consistent, which is exactly what you need for monitoring data, displaying critical information, or navigating menus on its intended host device. The brightness is ample for indoor use, and the viewing angles are respectable for an LCD of this type. It feels robust, a solid piece of engineering designed to withstand the rigors of its environment, not just sit pretty on a desk. There's a genuine satisfaction in seeing a piece of equipment, perhaps one that's been a workhorse for years, suddenly spring back to life with a clear, readable display. It's not about flashy features. It's about restoring essential functionality and extending the lifespan of valuable hardware. For anyone who relies on a device that uses this specific panel, finding a high-quality replacement like this is incredibly reassuring. It saves you from the costly headache of replacing an entire system just because of a failing screen. It's a testament to the idea that sometimes the most impactful upgrades are the ones that simply make things work again and work well. So, if your specialized device is suffering from a tired display, the STCG057QVLAB-G00 LCD screen replacement is an absolutely essential component. It's a reliable, high-quality panel that perfectly restores visual fidelity, making your equipment feel brand new without the brand new price tag.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.